Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we're expanding our garage, and it's all hands on deck.
How you doing? What are we doing today?
We are framing in a storage room
Okay.
onto our garage. We're taking away the front entry garage door
Yes.
in the front patio area,
Yes.
and we're adding a storage area.
Awesome.
So we're currently paying for storage in a facility.
Yeah.
I don't like paying money to store stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you don't either.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
So we're going to be able to get rid of that, hopefully.
Awesome. So we have Marisa here to help us. Say hi. Okay, and Italia. Yeah, the camera shy, obviously. Okay, well, let's rock and roll, baby.
All right.
Another hot day and another opportunity for the kids to learn. This time, some framing and siding. We need to have a functionable shop in the garage to be able to work on the bus. For that, obviously we needed to add a little bit of space for storage. So there, it's completely boxed. And on the inside, so it's that much space extra for storage. Just need to finish. We took the door out and the framing. There's a wide open space. Voila. And then we went through the same process as in the office. We waterproofed it and then installed the molding in the corners and then the siding fill. Honestly, Hardy backboard is really easy to install and at the end looks great. It's made out of concrete and for that it lasts for a very, very long time.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough.
So now the little expansion that we did
To make something right.
for the garage, for storage, is right there. You wanna brag about your avocado plant, baby?
Have we not talked about it yet?
No.
Oh, so when we were in Hawaii, we bought an avocado. I'm going to say it was as big as a softball.
Yes.
We decided to keep 5 or 6 of them. This one we planted along with a couple other ones. This one survived. It came out with 2. As you can see, there's 2 twin sisters.
There's 2 in there.
It came out with 2 sprouts, and it's absolutely huge.
It is.
It's as big as they were in Hawaii.
Yes. I gotta say, I've never seen an avocado that big and that creamy like the ones in Hawaii. I don't know what they put in it, but we're lucky that we got a baby out of it.
So we bought 2, 3 avocados.
Yeah, there were 5. We brought 5.
No. When we made the guacamole dip,
Oh, yeah.
we bought 2 or 3 avocados, and it made a whole humongous bowl.
Yeah, that was cool. I remember that we ate a lot of guacamole. And alleviate our need for storage inside. Know that we don't need more, but we do need more.
So you're going to show them the garage?
Yeah, our garage is our shop, really. So now that is space, now that is covered in wood right now because we've been working on the bus. But now we have that extra space to store stuff. Christmas things and stuff like that. So there. Now we need another garage, senor. For all the stuff we're doing.
You say so.
Okay. So say goodbye, senor.
Goodbye, senor. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.